Looking at the Maths Quadratic equation 2, looking at the equal roots, real roots, that kind of thing. So equal roots means this one, the formula is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. There's way to prove it, but at the moment we are not looking at the proof. Real roots b square minus 4ac bigger or equal to 0. Real distinct roots, separate roots, b square minus 4ac bigger than 0. And no real roots b square minus 4ac smaller than 0. Okay, let's look at one question here. Find the set of values of k for which this equation has equal roots. So equal roots means you're referring to one distinct root. So you have to use the formula b square minus 4ac equals to 0. So in this case, your b is, okay, in this case b is this value here. Like they have a square plus bx plus c. So in this case, b square is negative 3k, the whole thing square, minus 4 is 2k plus 1. C is, this one 2k, this 4, bring it to the other side, so 2k minus 4 equal to 0. Alright, so this is what you're supposed to do. So this is 9k square minus 4, and this part is 4k square. This is negative 8k plus 2k minus 4 equals to 0. So we need to simplify this. So you get this answer here after you expand it. So here 7k square, negative 7k square plus, now 32 minus 8. So what do you get? 24k, and then plus 16 equal to 0. So, and then change all this to 7k square minus 24k minus 16 equal to 0. Now we need to factor. So you get 7k plus 4 and k minus 4 equal to 0. So from here, 7k plus 4 equal to 0, k minus 4 equal to 0. So k equal to negative 4 over 7 and k equals to 4. That's all for number 1. Find the set of values of k for which this entire equation has no real roots. So the formula is b square minus 4ac less than 0. No real roots. So no real roots, this is what we're going to use. Okay, so now from here your b square is negative 4k, the whole thing square here, minus 4. Your a is 4. Your c is 2k plus 3 is smaller than 0. Right? So here 16k square minus 16 into 2k plus 3 less than 0. Now this one you can divide here by 16. So k square minus 2k minus 3 smaller than 0. So I factorize this. So k minus 3, k plus 1 less than 0. So you draw a line here. K is equals to negative 1. That's from here. K equals to 3 from here. So you draw a line here, and you are looking for smaller than 0 means k is between -1 and 3. So that is your answer. For number 3, find a set of values of k for which this entire equation has real roots. Now before that, I just have to simplify this a little bit. So here you have 4x squared plus 4x, and then plus 1 plus kx plus k equals to 0. So here 4x squared plus, now here 4x and kx, so 4 plus k, and then here is x, and then plus k plus 1 equal to 0. Has real roots means b square minus 4ac is bigger than 0. Has real roots means can be also equal roots, so bigger or equal to. So this you can check the real roots. You see here real roots b square minus 4ac is bigger or equal to 0. So back to the question here. So b square here means 4 plus k square minus 4. Your a is this 4. C is k plus 1, bigger or equal to 0. 16 plus 8k plus k square minus 16k minus 16, bigger or equal to 0. K square, that is this. 8k minus 16k is minus 8k, and then 16 minus 16 is 0, so bigger or equal to 0. So in this case, k into k minus 8, bigger or equal to 0. So you draw a line here, k equal to 0, k equals to 8. So you have the U shape here. What you're looking for is bigger than 0, means positive. That means this is the positive side and this is the positive side. That means x is bigger or equals to 8, x is smaller or equals to 0. These are the answers here. Okay, next. A line is a tangent to the quadratic curve. A line, I mean this is the line. This line is a tangent. Tangent means it meets exactly at one point only. So in that case, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. That means one real root. Okay, the next one. A line intersects the quadratic curve at two different points. So you have one point here, you have another point here. That means two real roots. So b square minus 4ac bigger than 0. A line does not intersect the quadratic curve. See, in this case, this line does not intersect at all. So there is no real roots. So b square minus 4ac is smaller than 0. Okay, we look at the question here. Set of values for which this y equals to kx equal to 12 is a tangent to this curve. So it's a tangent means what you do is, first step is y is equals to 12 minus kx. Now this thing here, I rearrange it, so I get y equal to 12 minus kx. Substitute this into this equation, so x square plus x times 12 minus kx equals to 12. So x square plus 12x minus kx square minus 12 equal to 0. So here 1 minus k into x square, that means I use this factorizer, plus 12x minus 12 equal to 0. So since we say is a tangent, means it meets at one point. So b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So your b square is 12 square, so 144 minus 4. Your a is 1 minus k. Your c is negative 12, and that is equal to 0. So from here, 144 plus 48. So up here I write down first, 144 plus 48 minus 48k equal to 0. So 192. So k is equals to, so 192 divided by 48, so you have 4. So if k is 4, then in this case, this line will be a tangent to the curve. Okay, the next one, let's see the next one. Here find the values of k for which this line intersect the curve at two distinct points. So here again I substitute y equal to x minus 3. So x minus 3 equals to k square x square plus 5kx plus 1. So I bring all to one side. So that means I have k square x square plus 5kx minus x, and this one is plus 4 equals to 0. That means I bring all to one side, the right hand side. Alright, so in this case you have, okay, I write down here k square x square. I factorize, that means I have 5k minus 1 x here plus 4 equal to 0. So b square is 5k minus 1 square minus 4, a is k square minus 4a, c is 4. And here we say at two distinct points. Two distinct points means I shouldn't use bigger than, I should have put equal to 0. It's bigger than 0. So here bigger than 0. Alright. So now this one is 25. Oh, actually you can see, you can factorize here easily. No point of expanding the whole thing. You can see 5k minus 1 square minus 16 k square bigger than 0. So in this case, you can use, just factorize in this way. 4k, and then here 5k minus 1 plus 4k. Of course, you want to use any other method, is up to you, right? So let's see the next part. So when you simplify, you get k minus 1, 9k minus 1. So k is equals to 1. K equals to 1 over 9. So you draw a line here, 1 over 9 here. K equals to 1 here. Now this is bigger than 0. That means you're looking for above the graph, means this somewhere here and here. So your answer is k is smaller than 1 over 9 and k is bigger than 1. That's the answer here. Okay, this is for number 5. And then for number 6, find the values of k for which this line do not intersect. That means they never intersect. So I substitute y equal to kx minus 7. Kx minus 7 equals to 3x square plus 8x plus 5. They do not intersect. That means 3x square plus 8x plus 5 minus kx plus 7 equal to 0. So here 3x square plus x, 8 minus k plus 12 equals to 0. Since they do not intersect, so that means b square minus 4ac is smaller than 0. So here b square is 8 minus k, the whole thing square, minus 4, a is 3, c is 12, smaller than 0. Here also you can factorize the same way. 8 minus k square minus 144. So I put 8 minus k minus 12, 8 minus k plus 12 smaller than 0. Right? So here you have 8 minus 12 is negative 4. So negative k minus 4, negative k plus 20 smaller than 0. Now in this case, since both also got negative k, so I change it. That means I multiply here by negative 1, multiply here by negative 1. That means actually I multiply by 1, that's the meaning. So that means you have k plus 4, k minus 20 smaller than 0. That means this sign you don't need to change. So from here k is equals to negative 4 and 20. So U shape here. Less than 0 means is in the middle here. That means k is between negative 4 and 20. That's all the answer here. Okay, then the next one. Find the value of k for which y plus 3x equal to k meets the curve at two different points. This one is just meets. That means here again y is equals to k minus 3x. Means definitely can be 1 point, can be 2 point. So you substitute inside here. So k minus 3x equals to x square plus 5. So bring everything to one side. That means you have x square plus 5 minus k plus 3x equal to 0. So you have x square plus 3x plus 5 minus k equal to 0. So if it meets at 2 point means b square minus 4ac bigger than 0. No equals because you already say at two different points. So b square is, in this case is 9, 3 square is 9, minus 4, a is 1, c is minus 5k bigger than 0. So 9 minus 20 plus 4k bigger than 0. So from here 4k is bigger than, so 20 and then you minus 9, what do you get? 11. So k is bigger than 11 over 4. That's your answer. Okay, the end of quadratic equation 2.